Hi, it's Mark Kaufman with Anthology, and you may have heard from some of your Blackboard users that your tool isn't creating gradebook columns in Blackboard until the student takes the exam. And so let's take a look at why that could be. Um, we're looking at a tool that I have here. It's the Anthology test tool internal. And so first of all, if you have a deep linking content tool, if the tool sends back JSON with in the response that indicates a line item should be created, it will be created, and you'll see it in a line in the gradebook. When the instructor makes a deep link request and you give a deep link response with that JSON that indicates the line item should be created. If you don't give a response that the line item should be created, then there won't be a line item created in the gradebook. The other option is that you're using the course content tool placement. And there, if you look at that, you can see that you can have a course content tool set and you can say it allows grading. It allows grading, but it doesn't actually create a gradebook column unless an instructor specifically tells it to create the gradebook column. So let's look at both of these use cases with the deep link request response, and then let's look at the course content managed placement. So here we go. We're going to go into our course, and we've got a course here that's LTI grades, ultra LTI grades. So we go to add some content. Well, first of all, let's look at our gradebook. Nothing in the gradebook. Okay. So we'll add some content, go to our content market, and we're going to make the the deep link request. And you'll see here that we're going to click some content. We're going to build a payload that's an LTI link. It's a gradable LTI link. So we're going to submit here. This is all on the tool side. And here's our return JSON. And you'll notice that in our return JSON, we have a line item. So that line item is going to be created. It's going to be called Chapter 12 Quiz in the gradebook, although the link itself is called something else, like a title for LTI 1.3. So we go ahead and return this to, we return the deep linking response. And now you see there's our link that was created. And you'll see in the gradebook there is the gradebook item. So the JSON created the gradebook item in the course. Now, if we go back to our content and we do the course content item, so here I go create again, and oops, actually I want to go to my content market to get my LTI content. So here's our course content. We don't click the box, we click the plus here. And so this created it's it's gradable, but it's not yet in the gradebook column. If we go here to our gradebook, you notice we don't see it. The instructor has to, with the course content item, they have to go here and they have to edit it. And they have to say, create gradebook entry for this item. And they can select what kind of item it is. Like we could say it's an assignment. And we could give it a due date and so on. And we hit save as the instructor. And now it shows up in the gradebook column. So I hope this helps you if you're using course content managed placements, then you need to inform the instructor that they need to edit it after they put it in the course, and they need to check the box that it needs to create a gradebook entry for the item. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching and happy coding.